Sikandar, yani ki Bhaijaan of Bollywood, is back yet again. But this time with tinge of South paired with A.R. Murugadas, who has delivered captivating cinema over the decades. With Gajni, Sarkar, and then Darbar back in 2020. But is this enough to cement Bhaijaan's legacy as its greatest? Come, let's find out. Sikandar is Bhaijaan's 165th film, and thus he knows how to tune up the audience when Bollywood needs him the most. Lately, Bollywood commercial flicks have been disastrous, to say the least, with our brothers from the south taking the mantle and bringing the biggies. Atlee changed the dynamic back in 2023 by teaming up with King Khan to give the biggest hit of his career in Jawan. All eyes now on Sikandar. Can this be the turning point for our Bhaijaan and bring success he so desperately deserves?
राजकोट का राजा है वो।
आप हमको बाहर ढूंढ रहे हो और हम आपका आपके घर में इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
This Eid, I can officially say our Robin Hood is back. Sikandar is both massy and entertaining and is the best our Bhaijaan has been in recent years. Don't get me wrong, the Bhaijaan Rozgar Yojana is still present, but the film with its engaging script and emotion outshines its flaws. So आइए, let's discuss what's worked, but before that, let's talk about the story. Something that I never thought I'll say about Bhaijaan's movie.
मैडम, जहां से हम आते हैं 6000 क्या 60,000 पेशेंट्स को एडमिट कर सकते हैं 6000 बार।
कहानी की शुरुआत राजकोट की राजा से होती है who spends his life and wealth helping those in need. But something happens that changes his life forever.
अब तक जो आपने किया है वो मेरे लिए किया है, अब तुम्हें उन तीनों के लिए करना है।
This brings him from Rajkot to Mumbai. And amidst all the hustle, he manages to bring a change in life of others, finding peace and solace along the way. Thought and thought दोनों ही अच्छे हैं.
Love you, Santa uncle.
बस तो लंबी लंबी सांसें लिए जो।
स्क्रीन प्ले की बात करें तो वो काफ़ी अच्छी है. Read on a political backdrop, the narrative is crisp and flourishes when the plot is drawn out, and the director dwells on the character's motivation. In the commercial landscape, a film needs to have halves that complement each other, and Sikandar does just that. While the first half takes time to set up the plot, and the second half holds its own with emotions laid with high-stake action sequences. Bhaijaan's performance as Raja Saab has depth, as in Sikandar is a tough, emotional man seeking redemption. All thanks to A.R. Murugadas. The film's ensemble cast brings their own motivation and complexities to the table, such as Rashmika Mandana, who is both beautiful and serene.
हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से।
Jatin Sarna and Ayan Khan, though are standouts in my opinion, they deliver in both comedy and emotion. And is the main reason why the scene work even when the film feels drawn out.
किसकी शादी में बैंड बजाने को आए हो?
बैंड मतलब?
अरे नहीं, वो आप सबकी वर्दी देख कैसा लग रहा है? किधर है आपका ड्रम?
Songs are mostly good, with Zora Zabin being the one that stands out amongst the rest. The highlight of the movie, though, is Santosh Narayan's throne BGM.
No thrones left. No thrones left to reign.
Simply marvelous. Sana or Santosh Narayan has always been underrated and deserves all the praise for carrying this film through its action sequences. Just like Himesh Reshammiya, Sana now has to be the staple for Raja Saab's future endeavors.
बस मेरे मुड़ने की देर है।
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Sikandar is solid 8. A film that manages to deliver on all fronts, mainly for the masses that queue to get a glance of their favorite bhai during Eid. The last time we saw Bhaijan at this level was during the release of Kick, which, as we all know, is one of the best films in Bhai's career. And now Sikandar's made him alpha again, the real alpha male.
कहाँ तक के पढ़ी हैं?
सीए टॉप किया है चेन्नई से।
मतलब आप नौकरी नहीं, नौकरी आपको ढूंढ रही होगी।
And that's my thoughts on the film. आपको ये फिल्म कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना. Until next time, this is Movie Medusa signing off.